It's only a movie. It's only a movie. It's
It was the best of times.
movie.
It was the worst of times.
It's only a movie.
My current crochet braids were starting to look ragged and ratchet. It was time for a change. But new, different, and exciting crochet braid styles were hard to come by. It seemed like a never-ending cycle of copy, paste, repeat, copy, paste, repeat. I was searching for something, some hair that would reach out and, you know, be like, go ahead, make my day. Then I saw it. Sensational Lulutress 2-time Wispy Curl in color T1B30. Girl, you had me at hello. Lightweight, pre-looped, pre-separated, multi-curl twists per pack. Now, it was just a matter of finding the website who would give me the best deal. I decided on Lulutress.com. They made me an offer I couldn't refuse. Local with free shipping over $59.99. This hair comes pre-looped with an elastic band. To install this hair, simply slide the elastic band down, insert your finger to open it, insert your latch hook as usual, attach the hair, pull it through, pull the rest of the strand through the loop, and then pull to tighten. You can also tie it off a few extra times with a couple of strands just for a little added security. But family, here's a word to the wise about these crochet braid styles. Be cautious, cause they can look really good online, even in the pack, till you open them and install them. I always say crochet braids are like a box of chocolates. Sometimes you just never know what you're really gonna get. Oh, Mr. DeVille, I'm ready for my close-up. Now, do you really want to know the truth about this hair? The truth and nothing but the truth? You can't handle the truth. And cut! Okay, let's check that. And you know what? Before we get into this heavy stuff, I need to go 10-1. Bring in second team. Second team!
Finally, they let me on set. So, look, while I have the chance, I'm gonna tell you what she really thinks about this hair. She told me that
Whoa! Marcita B don't need no AI speaking on her behalf. I'm just gonna give y'all my pros and my cons. I appreciate that the hair is reasonably priced, it's soft, and the way it's made with the elastic band is a super fast installation. Biggest con, too full. I cut this much out and I'll probably keep trimming it some more. So YouTube, that is my cinematic look at the new Sensational Lulutress 2x Wispy Curl. A little bit of my feelings about this hair. I thought I was gonna like it more than I do. But we'll see how it goes. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to my channel. Marcita B is out for now, but you know what I always say before I leave. You be safe, take care, and we'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.